Checking out this VEVOR magnetic base drill press. So this has a magnetic base. This black part is an electromagnet. So you're gonna plug it in. It has a pretty long cord with a 3-prong outlet here. Comes along with a bunch of collets and then a whole bunch of different bits of different diameters. Lubrication oil chamber and a holder for that. But let's take a look at how easy it is to operate. You're going to operate it like a standard drill press, up and down. Only difference is it doesn't need to be up and down. It could be sideways, even upside down, because your magnetic base here is going to attach it to whatever it is you want to drill holes in. So you're going to turn it on and off. That's pretty easy. You've got a switch here for the electromagnet. So this magnet isn't just a regular magnet. This is an electromagnet. Electricity creates the magnetism. Then you've got a reverse or forward, so it's going to go left or right, going clockwise or counterclockwise. And then this is a speed, so how fast you want the drill to go. So it's a very nice drill press, only instead of being connected to your workshop or your workbench, it's connected to an electromagnet with this switch. You just set it to whatever you want to connect it to or whatever you want to drill a hole in and go to work. Hope this helps.